students. First turn off your camera and mute your microphone. And open your EVS book. Chapter Celebrating Festivals. Okay. Good morning, students. Now open your EVS book. Page number 60. With the help of pictures given below, name those festivals. Good morning, all of you. Okay. Number C. We celebrate our freedom on this day. That is number C1. Independence Day. Okay. Next, number 2. This is the festival of colors, that is Holi. H-O-L-I, Holi. And number 3, we celebrate this festival at the end of the month of Ramzan, that is Eid. Okay. Next, all of you open your EVS copy and do some revision work. Okay. Chapter Celebrating Festivals. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Festivals are dash occasions. O-C-C-A-S-I-O-N-S. Good morning, all of you. Turn off your camera, Diti Priya. Next, number 2. Dash is the festival of lights. Dash is the festivals of lights. Number 3. Number 3. Simai is cooked in the festival of dash. Next, number 4. Number 4, Pongal. Pongal is celebrated, C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E-D, celebrated in dash. Okay. Pongal is celebrated in dash. 5. Onam is celebrated in dash. Okay. Next, number 6. In Christmas, dash brings gifts for children. Number 7. Langar is organized in dash. Okay. Next, number 7, 8. Number 8. On dash. India became free from the British rule. From the British rule. Okay. And last one, number 9. On dash we celebrate, celebrate our Republic Day. Okay. So, number 1. Festivals are dash occasions. Number 2, dash is the festivals of lights. Number 3, Simai is cooked in the festivals of dash. Number 4, Pongal is celebrated in dash. Number 5, Onam is celebrated in dash. And in Christmas, dash brings gifts for children. 7, Langar is organized in dash. And number 8, on dash India became free from the British rule. Number 9, on dash we celebrate our Republic Day. Upasho, turn off your camera. Upasho. Okay. So, first one, festivals are dash occasions. Answer, Festivals are answer happy occasions. Okay, HAPPY. Yes, Kaushik, very good. Happy festivals are happy occasions. Next, number 2, dash is the festivals of lights. Right answer, dash is the festivals of lights. Dash is the festivals of lights. Yes, very good. Purbayon, Diwali, 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 DIWALI. Osmit, okay, Diwali, okay, very good. Diwali is the festivals of lights. Next, number 3, Simoy is cooked in the festival of dash. Which festivals? Eid. Yes, Simoy is cooked in the festival of Eid, and right answer Eid, EID. Next, number 4, Pongal, Eid. Ditipriya, okay, Eid, very good. Next, number 4, Pongal is celebrated in where? Which country? Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Yes, Tamil Nadu. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. TAMILNADU. Tamil Nadu. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Next, number 5, Onam is celebrated in which country? Yes, Ditipriya, Kerala. Sujhan completed, okay. Kerala, yes, right answer is Kerala. KERALA, Kerala. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Next, number 6, Kritika. And next, number 6, in Christmas, dash brings gifts for children. In Christmas, dash, not cake. Ditipriya, not cake. Santa Claus brings gifts for children. Okay, not cake. In Christmas, dash brings gifts for children. Answer is not gifts, Lisa, not gifts. Answer is Santa Claus. Santa Claus brings gifts for children. Santa Claus brings gifts for children, not gifts, not cake. Yes, Santa Claus. Firoz, turn off your camera. Santa Claus. Answer is SANTA. Santa, CLAUS. Santa Claus. Next, number 7. Langar is organized in dash. Langar is organized where? Which festivals? In Guru Purab. Yes. G-U-R-U-P-U-R-A-B. Guru Purab. Langar is organized in Guru Purab. Okay. And next, number 8. On dash India became free from the British rule. On 15th August 1947. Yes, Susan, very good. On 15th August 1947. On 15th August A-U-G-U-S-T 1947, India became free from the British rule. Next, number 9. On dash we celebrate our Republic Day. On, yes, Diti Priya, okay, very good. On dash we celebrate our Republic Day. On 26th February. On 26th February. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. Okay. So, number 1. Festivals are happy occasions. Diwali is the festivals of lights. Number 3. Simai is cooked in the festival of Eid. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Number 5. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Number 6. In children's, Santa Claus brings gifts for children. Oh, sorry. Mistake. 26 January, very sorry. 26 January. Yes, 26 January, okay. 26 January, okay. On 15th August 1947, India became free from the British rule. On 26 January, we celebrate our Republic Day. On 26 January, we celebrate our Republic Day. Okay, and your term 1 syllabus I have already provided in my e-portal, and myself, your term 1 syllabus, myself, my body, growing up, clothes we wear, food we eat, tool we use, good habits, my family, and house we live in. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 1 to 9. Okay. Now time is over. Thank you. Bye.